Welcome to our Spade Nutrition review. The world is facing a catastrophic situation with almost 30% of the adults under the obese category. The number of obese people has almost tripled between 1975 and 2019. This serious situation calls for a path-breaking solution. Spade Nutrition has formulated the perfect weight loss solution in the form of SB-66. A remarkable product that is backed by the research work from top universities of the world, Harvard, Stanford, Yale and Johns Hopkins to name a few. Spade Nutrition customer reviews speak for themselves. SB-66 enjoys a loyal customer community as it has helped them in changing their lives forever. Spade Nutrition, a USA-based company, is determined towards solving the world's most common problem, obesity. They have launched a revolutionary product, SB-66, as their solution to fight global obesity problems. Spade Nutrition review clearly indicates that this team of health enthusiasts has set their goals on helping millions of people around the world in their fight against stress and obesity. Spade Nutrition ingredients and dosage. Spade Nutrition Superfoods Blend review is incomplete without mentioning its key ingredients. There has been extensive research behind the formulation of this product. The key ingredients of Spade SB-66 are 1. KSM-66 2. Reishi mushrooms 3. Mangosteen 4. Epigallocatechin 5. 6 superfood blends of fruits and vegetables 6. 2 powerful hormone-regulating blends. How to use Spade Nutrition without side effects. The SB-66 is a wonderful product and very easy to use. 1 scoop a day to solve all the issues is a fair deal. SB-66 comes in the powder form and it needs to be mixed with water or any other beverage daily once in the morning. It tastes so well that after a few days the taste buds get used to it and it becomes an integral part of the diet. According to several Spade Nutrition reviews, there are actually no side effects of SB-66 whatsoever. Spade Nutrition weight loss supplements are the safest product available on health and well-being. Spade Nutrition testimonials speak for themselves and the customers stay loyal forever. Frequently asked questions regarding Spade Nutrition. How long does it take for SB-66 to get delivered after the purchase? It takes about 3 to 4 business days for the product to get delivered at your doorstep. Is there any money-back guarantee? The manufacturer offers a 100% money-back guarantee with a claim period of 365 days. What is the minimum duration for which SB-66 needs to be consumed to see noticeable results? The manufacturer recommends using SB-66 for at least 30 days with 1 scoop every day for any noticeable effect. However, to gain life-changing effects out of SB-66, it is advised to use it for at least 6 months. What are some other benefits of taking SB-66 apart from weight loss effects? The SB-66 formula is a superfood blend and helps improve the energy levels, metabolic activity, blood sugar levels and makes up for any nutritional deficiency in the body. Spade Nutrition Superfoods Blend review clearly suggests that this is the perfect remedy to all the problems around weight gain. They have managed to blend the world's best ingredients together to achieve something that was never even imagined earlier. SB-66 not only helps in controlling new fat cell production but restricts existing fat cells to lose their storage, promoting healthy life. It also offers many other advantages like improving the overall metabolic activity, thyroid function, boosting energy levels, healthy heart activity, lifting the mood and bring a positive change in life. Click the link in description for special discount. Discount are limited for first 45 people who will buy the link in description. Thanks for watching Spade Nutrition review. Good luck.